Hi everyone, it's Robin Clayton. I want to welcome you back to my channel, Zodicatthefarm, where I create these gorgeous garden glass flowers and more. So I am not in my studio. As I indicated in prior videos, my upstairs studio was actually destroyed by Hurricane Ian. So I am in an attached apartment to my home. So I hope that you will stay with me because I'm going to give you my tips from A to Z on how to make these gorgeous garden glass flowers for your home or for your garden. All right, so now we're going to move on to the items that you're going to need to complete this project. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need are all of your dishes, and I'm just going to show you all of your dishes set up and ready to go as you want them to appear upon completion. You're going to need to have a mounting hook if you're going to be mounting it outside. If you're not going to be mounting it outside, you're not going to need a hook. You're going to definitely need a toggle bolt. All right, this is this particular one is 3 by 16ths of an inch, and you can get this from Home Depot or from Amazon or any one of your local hardware stores. You're going to need some rubber washers. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to need a pen to mark your center. You're going to need a measuring tape to measure your plates. You're going to need some water while you're cutting. You're going to either need a drill or a drill press. And I have my drill press set up today in the apartment simply because it's a much more effective cut for me. But with the larger pieces, I do use a drill, a regular standard drill. Okay, so that's pretty much everything that you're going to need for the project today. So now we're going to move on to the cutting stage of this particular video. All right, see you soon. Hi guys, I am here at my drill press station and we're going to be cutting this particular sunflower. I've already marked the center right there, so we're going to go ahead and set it down right here on my drill press, and I'm going to make sure that I get it centered correctly. That should be it right there. Clean that off just like that. Okay, and there is the hole. Okay, next piece. Stay with me. Okay, I've got this beautiful, this is going to be the third piece of the sunflower, and I have marked the center right there. So we're going to do the same thing again. I'm going to go ahead and stick it underneath the press. Make sure I can find that hole, which is right there. There's the hole. Show you the back of it. Okay, so now we're ready to move on to assembly. Folks, so now that we have finished the cutting stage of this particular video, we're going to go ahead and move into the assembly stage. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that camera down so you can see how I assemble all of these gorgeous pieces to make this gorgeous sunflower. Okay, stay with me. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything apart. Okay, so I'm going to start with my supporting plate first. And I'm going to first take my toggle bolt apart. I'm going to take my flower hook. I'm going to take a washer and put that washer right there behind that hook. And then I'm going to turn my piece over and I'm going to attach this right to the back and then take my toggle my bolt and stick that straight through the back and then stick it through the back of the sunflower and then go ahead and lay it back down very carefully. Then I'm going to take another washer and place that washer right there. Okay, and then I'm going to grab my next piece, which is my second supporting plate that I've placed a hole in, and I'm going to go ahead and set that right there in the middle. Okay. And then I'm going to take another washer and place that washer right there. Okay. Then I'm going to take my next piece. I really do love this piece because it's shaped in a heart. I found this at Goodwill, and I'm like, wow, that's just like, that would be perfect for just a gorgeous, perfect piece for a sunflower just because of the color of it. So I'm going to go ahead and set that right there in the center, just like that. And then I'm going to take another washer and place that washer right there, just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and start getting my toggle going. And I didn't mention safety gloves today, but that will be on my list. My gloves are actually in boxes in this apartment because everything had to be stored and put away because they took the studio down to the bare bones. All right, so I've got this toggle started. I don't want to take it down too far. I want to give enough space so I can take my orb, and my orb is open, and I'm going to just take the orb and press it straight in until it clicks in, and then I'm going to pull it back out to make sure that it has grabbed the toggle on the inside, which it has. Okay, then I'm going to take all my pieces and I'm going to carefully turn this on its side, just like that. And I'm going to grab my Phillips head and proceed to tighten. Turn it over just to check it. See how everything's coming out, and that looks pretty good. So let me go back and continue to tighten. You don't want to tighten too much because you don't want to crack any of the glass pieces. Okay, and then let me sit this down. Just loosen this up just a little bit so I can turn this. Step away here. Okay, let me turn it around so you can see it. there it is. This is a 4-piece ensemble. So I've got the supporting plate here, which is a sunflower, and then I've got another sunflower petal. I've got this heart-shaped flower petal that kind of gives it that sunflower feel to it, and then of course the yellow orb that integrates all of the colors into one. And then let me turn it around so you can see the back of it. Okay, so there's my flower hook that I always use when mounting outside. But again, if you don't want to mount this particular piece outside, you don't need to use a hook. You can just use the toggle. Okay, so you turn it back around so you can see that. Doesn't that look amazing? Okay, so we are done with the assembly portion. Let me go ahead and show you what this looks like on a stand. I don't have an exterior stand. Everything is, again, packed up, but I will show you what it looks like on an interior stand. Stay with me. Okay, so here we go with the sunflower. Let me show it, give it a closer look with it on the stand. Now this is a heavy duty stand, so this will take the weight very well. So it's just gonna sit right nicely on that stand. But yeah, I think it came out absolutely magnificent with this kind of heart-shaped flower petal. I hope that you like it as much as I do. So that's it for today, folks. I hope that you have enjoyed this particular episode. If you have enjoyed the episode, please don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button so that these particular videos can get out to others who are interested in making their own garden glass flowers. If you have any questions with regards to the anything that transpired today during the episode, you can reach me at www.zodicatthefarm.com, or you can also list your comments in the comment section below. I love hearing your comments, so please, if you have anything that you want to ask or you have or remark about, please by all means go ahead and put them in the comments section. Okay, I hope you have a blessed week, a blessed Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays, whatever you're celebrating this year. And I hope to see you back in January with another beautiful garden glass flower. Okay, many blessings sent your way. Have a great day. I'll see you. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.